In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most powerful wealth-building strategies: real estate investments. If you've ever wondered how to build long-term wealth through real estate, you've come to the right place. Let's explore some key steps to build wealth through real estate investments. Step 1. Setting clear goals. The first step in any successful real estate investment journey is setting clear goals. Take some time to define your objectives. Are you looking for short-term cash flow, long-term appreciation, or a mix of both? Understanding your goals will help guide your investment decisions. Additionally, consider your risk tolerance and investment horizon. Real estate can provide steady returns over the long run, but it's important to be aware of the potential risks and be prepared for the necessary time commitment. Step 2. Education and research. Once you've established your goals, it's time to dive into education and research. Knowledge is power in the real estate world. Educate yourself on real estate investment strategies, market trends, and local regulations. Attend seminars, read books, and follow industry experts to gain valuable insights. Conduct thorough market research to identify areas with strong growth potential and favorable economic conditions. Look for indicators such as population growth, job opportunities, infrastructure development, and rental demand. This information will guide your investment decisions and maximize your chances of success. Step 3. Building a professional team. Building a reliable and competent professional team is essential for real estate success. Surround yourself with experts who can provide guidance and support. Seek out a knowledgeable real estate agent, property manager, accountant, and attorney to help navigate the complex aspects of real estate investing. Additionally, networking with other investors can be invaluable. Attend local real estate meetups, join online forums, and engage with like-minded individuals. Learning from others' experiences and building connections will open doors to new opportunities. Step 4. Analyzing properties. Now that you have your team in place, it's time to analyze potential properties. Conduct a thorough analysis by considering factors such as location, property condition, cash flow potential, and potential for future appreciation. Calculate the return on investment and ensure it aligns with your goals. Don't forget to perform due diligence, including property inspections, reviewing financial statements, and assessing any legal or zoning issues. Making informed decisions will help you mitigate risks and maximize returns. Step 5. Financing your investment. Financing plays a crucial role in real estate investments. Explore various financing options, such as traditional mortgages, private lenders, or partnerships. Understand the terms, interest rates, and repayment schedules associated with each option. It's important to maintain a healthy credit score and financial profile to secure favorable financing terms. Plan your budget wisely, considering not only the purchase price, but also ongoing expenses like maintenance, repairs, and property management fees. Step 6. Diversification and portfolio management. As your real estate portfolio grows, diversification becomes crucial. Consider investing in different types of properties, such as residential, commercial, or vacation rentals, across various locations. Diversification spreads risk and ensures your portfolio remains resilient to market fluctuations. Regularly monitor your investments and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stay informed about market trends and adapt to changing conditions. Being proactive in managing your portfolio will help you maximize returns and mitigate potential risks. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have a solid foundation to build wealth through real estate investments. Remember, success in real estate requires patience, continuous learning, and adapting to market dynamics. Stay focused, be disciplined, and always make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in your next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.